Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. What if I told you that a 72-year-old woman regularly gets mistaken for someone in her 50s? People often stare in disbelief when they learn her real age. Some even ask if she has discovered a secret treatment, an expensive anti-aging product, or some miracle formula hidden from the world. But her answer is always surprisingly simple. She smiles and says that looking and feeling young did not come from luck. It did not come from expensive creams or complicated health programs. Instead, it came from a few daily habits she practiced consistently for many years. Today, I want to share the inspiring story of this remarkable woman and the 7 daily habits she believes helped her maintain her youthful appearance, strong body, clear mind, and incredible energy. The best part is that these habits are simple, natural, and available to almost everyone. So stay with me until the end, because habit number 7 might be the most powerful of all. The woman in this story lives a very active life. She wakes up each morning with purpose and enthusiasm. She still enjoys gardening, shopping for fresh ingredients, taking long walks, and spending time with family and friends. She prepares her own meals, manages her daily activities independently, and rarely sits still for long periods. Many younger people struggle with fatigue, stiffness, and low motivation, while she seems to move through life with remarkable energy. When asked about her secret, she explains that staying young is not about stopping time. It is about giving your body and mind support they need every single day. Her first habit is starting the day with movement. Most people wake up and immediately reach for their phones or sit down with a cup of coffee. She does something different. Within a short time of getting out of bed, she starts moving. She stretches her arms, shoulders, back, and legs. She walks around her home. Some mornings she does gentle exercises, while on other days she takes a short walk outside. She believes movement sends a signal to the body that the day has begun. It improves circulation, wakes up the muscles, and helps reduce stiffness that often comes with age. Experts have long observed that physical activity supports healthy aging. Movement helps maintain flexibility, balance, muscle strength, and overall mobility. This woman often says that motion is medicine. She does not wait until she feels energetic before moving. Instead, she moves first and the energy follows. Many people think exercise has to be intense to be effective. She disagrees. She believes consistency matters more than intensity. Even 10 to 15 minutes of morning movement can make a noticeable difference over time. Her second habit is spending time outdoors every day. No matter the season, she makes an effort to go outside. She loves fresh air, natural sunlight, and being surrounded by nature. Sometimes she walks through a local park. Sometimes she works in her garden. Sometimes she simply sits outdoors and enjoys the morning light. She says being outside makes her feel alive. There may be more truth to that feeling than many people realize. Natural light helps support healthy sleep patterns. Time outdoors can reduce stress and improve mood. Fresh air encourages movement and provides a refreshing break from indoor environments. She believes modern life keeps many people disconnected from nature. Hours spent indoors, staring at screens, can leave us feeling tired and drained. When she steps outside, she feels renewed. One of her favorite sayings is that nature has a way of healing what stress tries to damage. Whether it's a short walk around the neighborhood or a few minutes sitting in a garden, she believes every day should include some connection with the outdoors. Her third habit is cooking healthy meals herself. This is one of the habits she considers absolutely essential. Rather than relying heavily on packaged foods or restaurant meals, she prepares most of her meals at home. She enjoys choosing fresh vegetables, fruits, herbs, whole grains, and quality proteins. Cooking allows her to know exactly what goes into her food. She often prepares colorful meals filled with natural ingredients. Her kitchen is stocked with foods that nourish the body rather than simply filling the stomach. She believes many people underestimate the impact food has on how they look and feel. According to her, youthful energy starts in the kitchen. When the body receives nutritious foods, it has the building blocks needed to support healthy skin, muscles, bones, and organs. She focuses on balance rather than perfection. She still enjoys treats occasionally, but most of the time she chooses foods that make her feel strong and energized. One thing she rarely does is skip meals. She listens carefully to her body's signals and provides consistent nourishment throughout the day. She often reminds friends that every meal is an opportunity to support health or slowly work against it. Her fourth habit is staying physically active throughout the entire day. Many people exercise for 30 minutes and then spend the rest of the day sitting. She takes a different approach. Movement is woven into her daily routine. She walks when possible. She gardens. She cleans her home. She carries groceries. She stays engaged with daily tasks that keep her body active. This constant movement helps maintain strength and mobility. She does not think of activity as something separate from life. For her, activity is life. Researchers often discuss the risks associated with prolonged sitting. Long periods of inactivity can affect circulation, muscle health, and overall wellness. This woman naturally avoids that trap. Even when reading or watching television, she gets up regularly and moves around. She believes the human body was designed to move frequently, not remain in one position for hours. Her active lifestyle contributes greatly to the youthful appearance and energy that impress so many people. Her fifth habit is protecting her mindset. Many people focus only on physical health, but she believes mental health is equally important. She starts each day with gratitude. Instead of dwelling on what she has lost over the years, she focuses on what she still has. She appreciates her ability to walk, think clearly, spend time with loved ones, and enjoy simple pleasures. This positive outlook influences every part of her life. When challenges arise, she acknowledges them without allowing them to dominate her thoughts. She chooses optimism whenever possible. That does not mean she never experiences sadness or disappointment. It means she refuses to live there permanently. She believes negative thinking creates unnecessary stress, and chronic stress can affect both health and appearance. People often comment on her bright smile and cheerful personality. She says those qualities come from practicing gratitude every day. According to her, a positive attitude is one of the most effective beauty treatments available. Her sixth habit is maintaining strong social connections. She makes time for family, friends, neighbors, and community activities. She understands that relationships play a major role in healthy aging. Loneliness can quietly affect emotional and physical well-being. Connection, on the other hand, brings joy, purpose, and support. She enjoys conversations, shared meals, laughter, and meaningful interactions. Even simple chats with neighbors brighten her day. She believes human beings thrive when they feel connected to others. One of the reasons she remains mentally sharp is that she continues engaging with people regularly. She listens, learns, shares stories, and stays involved in the world around her. These interactions keep her mind active and her spirit young. She often says that laughter is one of life's greatest gifts. And anyone who spends time with her quickly notices how often she laughs. Her seventh habit is never giving up on learning and growing. This habit may be the most powerful of all. Many people unconsciously decide that personal growth has an expiration date. They assume learning belongs to the young. She completely rejects that idea. At 72, she remains curious about life. She reads books, learns new recipes, explores new places, and stays interested in the world around her. Curiosity keeps her mind engaged. She asks questions. She seeks knowledge. She embraces new experiences. This willingness to keep growing helps her maintain a youthful spirit. She believes aging begins accelerating when people stop learning, dreaming, and challenging themselves. Every year brings opportunities to discover something new. Her excitement about life is contagious. People are often surprised not only by how young she looks, but by how young she thinks. Her mind remains open, flexible, and enthusiastic. That energy shines through in everything she does. Now, when people ask her how she stays so youthful, they usually expect a complicated answer. Instead, they hear about movement, sunlight, healthy food, activity, gratitude, relationships, and lifelong learning. None of these habits are glamorous. None require expensive memberships or miracle products. Yet together they create a powerful foundation for healthy aging. The truth is that youthfulness is not just about wrinkles or gray hair. It is about vitality. It is about waking up with purpose. It is about having the strength to enjoy life and the enthusiasm to embrace each new day. This remarkable woman understands something many people overlook. The small choices we make every day eventually become the life we live. A short walk today becomes stronger legs tomorrow. A healthy meal today becomes better health in the future. A grateful thought today becomes a more positive outlook over time. A conversation today becomes a stronger relationship. A new skill learned today becomes a sharper mind tomorrow. These daily habits may seem simple when viewed individually, but practiced consistently over months and years, they can produce extraordinary results. At 72, this woman serves as a powerful reminder that aging does not automatically mean slowing down, losing independence, or giving up on life. In many ways, she is proof that growing older can be an opportunity to become stronger, wiser, healthier, and more fulfilled. Her story encourages all of us to take better care of ourselves starting today. You do not need to change everything overnight. Choose one habit and begin there. Take a short walk. Spend time outdoors. Cook a healthy meal. Call a friend. Practice gratitude. Learn something new. Small steps repeated consistently can lead to remarkable transformations. As we reach the end of this video, remember this important message. The goal is not simply to add years to your life. The goal is to add life to your years. This 72-year-old woman has shown that staying young is less about age and more about how we choose to live each day. The habits you practice today can shape how you feel tomorrow, next year, and even decades from now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this story and found these habits helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to stay healthy, energetic, and youthful as they age. Take care of yourself, stay active, stay positive, and I will see you in the next video.